We are at Thousand Trails Horseshoe Lakes in Clinton, Indiana.
And this is a campground review. Make sure you stay to the end to find out if some of the one-star reviews we read are confirmed or busted. But before we get to that, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel out and it lets us know that you like this content so we can bring you more of it. General impressions.
This is a scenic, sprawling campground with woods, lakes, and annual campers. Oh my!
The cost for us was free because we're Thousand Trails members, but for non-members it cost $72.57. We feel this really isn't a great value for the cost. If we were paying this price, we would expect upgraded facilities and upkept amenities. Campground.
This is a large 290-acre campground that is very spread out between most of the campsites. It boasts 11 lakes that are good for fishing but not swimming. It's pretty remote from town and activities, and a large number of the 134 sites are annual campers that have staked their claim.
We stayed in campsite B10. It was a gravel back end and there was lots of room between the sites, but it was unusable space. But we did have plenty of length to put our RV and our truck in the campsite. The campsite did have a bit of a grade at the front and at the back, but it was very level from left to right. Most of the campsites have either 50 or 30, but about a dozen of them have both. They have picnic tables and fire rings at most of the campgrounds, but no grills, and they do have propane refill as well as a dump station.
The campground does not have Wi-Fi, but it is listed in the pool and lounge areas. However, we tested the campground Wi-Fi and it is not even good enough to get a speed test. We tested our Starlink and it is good for streaming and teleconferencing. Verizon, on the other hand, is only good enough to do some emailing and Googling.
The noise level at this campground was very quiet. There was no road noise or train noise.
Amenities.
There are several bathhouses scattered throughout the park, and they were clean enough, but the decor was pretty out of date. There are multiple dumpsters located throughout the park, and they are easily located.
The laundry has 4 washers and 4 dryers. It's $1.75 per cycle, and they do accept the CSC app as well as quarters.
They also have a pool and a playground for the kids. Whee! Other facilities include basketball and tennis courts, although these need a little bit of TLC. They also have cornhole and horseshoes. The mini golf is unfortunately unusable. Dog friendliness.
The campground is dog friendly, however it does not have any dog pickup stations or off-leash areas. There is a lot of green space in between the areas to walk your dogs though. Camp store.
This will be quick because there is no camp store. They do sell ice, firewood, and they have a vending machine at the laundry area. There's also a Walmart, but it is about 15 minutes away and it is not a super Walmart, so you'll have to go to one of the local grocery stores. Camp staff interactions.
We had multiple interactions with the camp staff. They were both pleasant and helpful.
Additional information.
There's a large amount of long-term campers that seem mostly contained to the A Loop, but some in the B Loop as well.
B Loop seems much more friendly towards transient members. And now for the one-star reviews where we tell you if they were confirmed or busted.
Jill L. writes, "Never returning. A few of the seasonal / full-time people we encountered were rude. Clearly don't like outsiders. Staff was non-existent or inconvenienced when asked questions. Grounds were not as advertised. Mini golf looks like it's been neglected for years. No amenities available. Way overly priced for the value."
As far as the staff, we asked multiple questions and they were always friendly and helpful. So this we can say is firmly busted. In regards to no amenities, well, Jill, that's simply not true.
As for the mini golf, if holes in one are your thing, this is the course for you. With the crumbling concrete all around, there's more than one way to get a hole in one on this course. We can confirm that the putters have definitely fallen.
In regards to the full-timers, it's clear that some of these folks have definitely staked their claim, but some of them seemed friendly. Too friendly? I'm not sure if we can consider this confirmed or busted. Michael L. says 1 star is being generous, but we expect the amenities are advertised on the website to be there. The site advertises a pool, mini golf, basketball, horseshoes, weekend activities, activity director, among other things. The pool was not open for the season yet. The mini golf is unplayable. Same with the basketball court. Horseshoes are a mess. I asked about activities and we're told we have to make our own. Site booking made no sense. They take your money and they tell you first come, first serve. But when you get there, they give you a choice of a couple of sites that are left.
The map being backwards is definitely busted, unless you're looking at it in a mirror.
The amenities, there may be some confusion here because the maps are definitely dated. They show mini golf and courts on the map, but they don't list them on the website anymore. While I can't go back in a time machine to find out what amenities were listed when Michael L. stayed here, I did confirm that the items currently on the website are in fact available for use, so we're calling this busted.
Onto the sites. While a lot of Thousand Trails are first come, first serve, we were assigned this site at check-in, so I'm calling this one busted.
Activities director, is that even still a job description? I mean, maybe I should be adding that to my resume. Today is our adventure activities director.
Yeah, she's definitely our activities director.
Let's start off with our least favorite things and then move on to our favorite things. So what was your least favorite?
My least favorite part of this was, as we probably indicated before, the rundown amenities.
Yeah, I was super bummed about the mini golf because you know I love a good mini golf course. But mine was that paired with the fact that it's so far from activities and restaurants in town. You're looking at, to get to the main part of town, a good 30 minutes to get to any restaurant or activities. And now on to our favorite parts.
I definitely like how quiet this campground is. No road noise, although you may hear the birds in the background, that's about all you're going to hear here.
But you love nature noises. I mean, that's why you go camping, right?
Indeed.
I also love the fact that it's pretty. It is very scenic, lots of lakes, so it's lovely to look at.
Make sure to check in with us next week to catch our next campground review.
Or check out the other ones we've done over here.
Or you can even check out our vlog, which may be on the screen here too somewhere. Maybe up here. Over there. I don't know. Like and subscribe.